Hi guys, welcome to The Bite. My name is Jackie. Today we're going to be making some Middle Eastern inspired Halloween snacks. These are awesome and they're using things that we all have in a Middle Eastern household. So if you are looking to make something for your kids and you don't really want to run to the store for something that you know you won't use, this is perfect because it's stuff that we normally eat on a regular basis. So I'm going to start with my green Frankenstein hummus. Now this is using my cilantro jalapeno hummus that my first ever video included. So I will leave a link for that right up above. And then how I did this was I spread it out into a square shaped form. I put radish and olives for the eyes. I made a little divot on the forehead so that I could put some olive oil and paprika as the hair and a little bit of olives as well. A pickle for the nose, and the carrots, the mouth is made out of carrots with the little strings. I think it's like his sewn mouth. His mouth is sewn together, so that's what that's supposed to resemble. Now, of course, it's not Frankenstein without the little screws on the neck. So what do I have here? Some green onions and some lemon. So this is supposed to resemble the screw. You could also use some like jalapeno, slices of jalapeno on the sides. So this is stuff that's all traditionally eaten with hummus, and you can also serve it with some pita bread as well. But I thought this looked perfect for Halloween because it's green and it's kind of rustic. I didn't blend it all the way smooth because I wanted it to have that textured look. So that is this one. Then next I have some ricotta stuffed date roaches. So these are supposed to resemble a roach. And so how I did that was I cut in the center to remove the pit. And then I made 3 little slots, or slits I guess, on the side and flared them out to resemble the legs of an insect. Then I realized that if I were to flare those parts out before I took the pit out, it would be a lot easier. So I did it that way. Then for the ricotta mixture, I used ricotta cheese, fresh orange juice, and a little bit of vanilla extract. And that gave me kind of like a smooth ricotta filling, and it really complements the dates very well. I didn't want it too sweet because the dates are already very sweet. And then I put little pistachios for the eyes and a little bittersweet chocolate chip for the mouth to make it look kind of scared. So that is my little date treats. And then lastly, I have a frightened ghost toast. So what I have is just a regular slice of multi-grain bread, spread with Labneh. Now Labneh is like cream cheese in the Middle East. It doesn't have the same flavor as cream cheese. It's more tangy, but we use it the same way. I did the same thing with the eyes as I did with the Frankenstein hummus. I used radishes as the white part, and then I used green olives with the pimento filling on the inside. And I used a half of a slice of tomato as a mouth, like it's scared. Then I put some zaatar on the top. Zaatar is a famous spice in the Middle East made with thyme, oregano, sesame seeds, sumac. I mentioned most of these items in my Middle Eastern kitchen essentials video, and I will link that right up above as well. So when I was making that, I thought it kind of was missing something. So I put some little carrots as the arms, and I thought it really kind of brought it all together. So these are some snacks that I thought would be perfect for Halloween, and I know it's the Sunday before Halloween, but this is a perfect time because you probably don't have to run to the store because you probably have all these things on hand already. Otherwise, you can totally make them Monday and Tuesday for Halloween, school breakfast, and this would be, you know, an exciting way for kids to get some nutrients in the Halloween spirit. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please let me know if you give any of these a try and use my hashtag so that I can see your creations. These were so fun to make, so I hope you guys have as much fun making them as well. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like these. I got a lot of good stuff coming up this fall, and all my links for social media are down in the description box. Thanks guys for watching, and we'll see you next time on The Bite.